Good morning, YouTube. Happy 4th of July weekend. It's Jay. So I just wanted to take a minute to announce our first of potentially many giveaways. We are doing a Craftsman Vice restoration, so we're going to give away the old one that I used for a bit. It's a Bessey. Not the greatest vise in the world, but I haven't had any issues with it. So I know some of our new viewers were just starting out or setting up their sheds for their workshop. So if any of you guys need this vise, comment below and let us know that it's something you could use. And I figure I'd rather pay it forward than try and sell it on Fleabay or whatever, because you know it's not a high dollar vise, but it is handy and it's done me well. So if any of you guys are just starting out and could really use it, just leave a comment below, and you know, I'll probably just pick somebody at random. Anyway, guys, have a great 4th of July, and we will talk to you soon. We have a bunch of videos coming up. They are taking a little while. Matt's been super busy with his other video stuff, but I promise there is content coming. So hang in there, be patient, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.